Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your pet name, font, and face it. So in this latest update, you can now customize your pet's name to make it look much cooler and more unique. And then here's how to do it. First, just tap on the items, and then go to pet, this one, and then in here just tap on edit pet, this one. And then just select the pet that you want to edit. And here I only have one pet, so I will just choose this one. And then in here you can just change your pet name on here, and then you can just pick the color on here that you want, like this, and then just tap on apply. And then after that you can also choose the font options. In here you can choose futuristic, arcade, and then handwritten, like this. And after that, after you satisfied with your fonts, just simply tap on apply, like this, and you can see it, your pet font already changed like this, you can see it. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.